everyone and welcome to Edunext Academy. I am Mani and today I am going to discuss about geometric progression. This is your NCERT class 10 chapter 8. I have also discussed about arithmetic progression that was belongs to class 9, but today I will discuss geometric progression that belongs to class 10. So what is geometric progression? So geometric progression is a sequence of numbers. Geometric progression is a sequence of numbers in which each term is multiplied previous terms by a fixed non-zero number, that is called common ratio. That means if I take a number, for example 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Now you see here they each suppose this is 2 is the first number. If I consider second number, so second number is 4, so it is multiplied by 2. Okay, with the first term means first number 2. That means 2 into 2, that is 4. Similarly, if I consider 8 here, 8 is whenever I multiply the same common ratio means 2 with 4, I will get 8. That means in alternative way, if you go dividing, suppose 4 by 2 is 2, 8 by 4 is 2, 16 by 8 is also 2. So here a common constant number is I am finding, that number is known as common ratio, and that common ratio is denoted by R. Okay, so if I write the general term of GP, that means the general expression of GP, that is equal to A, right? AR square, AR cube, AR n. So if I write the comma here, that means it is a sequence of numbers. But if I write, for example, A plus AR plus AR square plus AR to the power n, it becomes a series. Okay. In this way, you can represent a geometric progression sequence. Now let us solve some your example, or let us solve your exercise questions. You will understand bit by bit. Now see, this is question number 1, belongs to your chapter 8.1. Question is given, an is n whole into n plus 2. Now the question is you have to find out next 5 numbers. Okay, so how to find out? That means n, you have to find out at n is equal to 1. What is a1? A1 means at n is equal to 1, n1. In place of n, you have to put 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 plus 2, that is 1 into 3, that is 3. Similarly, a2, that is 2 into 2 plus 2. That means what it is coming? 4 into 2, that is 8. Similarly, a3, in place of n you put 3 plus 2. That means 3 whole into 5, that is 15. a4 is equal to 4 into 4 plus 2. That means 24. Similarly, a5, in place of n you have to write 5. That is 5 plus 2. That is 5 into 7. That is 35. Now see how easy it is to find out the all fifth terms. If n is given, here n is unknown, you have to put the value of n according to your questions, right? Now let us solve another question, question number 2. Now see, this is question number 2. Very easy to find out. Here n is given, n by n plus 1. So you have to find out a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. Okay. Similarly, in place of n, you have to put the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us find out. Now, a1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1. That is 1 by 2. Similarly, a2, 2 by 3 means in place of n, I put 2 here. So A3 is equal to 3 by 4. A4 is equal to 4 by 5. And similarly A5 is equal to 5 by 5 plus 1, that is 5 by 6. So this is question number 2. You can solve very easily. Next, let us solve question number 3. Question number 3, given an is equal to 2 to the power n. Very easy. So at n is equal to 1, a1 is equal to 2 to the power 1, that is 2. At n is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 2 to the power 2, that is 4. At n is equal to 3, a3 is equal to 2 to the power 3, that is 8. At n is equal to 4, a4 is equal to 2 to the power 4, that is 16. Similarly, at n is equal to 5, 2 to the power 5 is a5 is equal to 2 to the power 5, that is 32. So now you see how easy to solve this. I hope such type of question will come. You will be easily find out such kind of numbers of terms in GP. Right. Now let us solve another question. Now let us solve question number 4. 4 is given an is equal to 2n minus 3 divided by 6. You can find it very easily. That means a1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 by 6. That is minus 1 by 6. Right. Similarly, a2 is equal to 4. That means I am directly writing. Okay. 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 minus 3 by 6, that is 1 by 6. A3 is equal to 6 minus 3 by 6, that is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Now similarly, A4 is equal to 8 by 3 minus 3 by 6, that is 5 by 6. A5 is equal to 10 minus 3 by 6, that is 7 by 6. So you see how I solved it. Practice at your home. Next, solve question number 5. Question number 5, given an is equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 5 n plus 1. Okay. Now don't fear about minus 1 to the power n minus 1. Okay. Now let us find out all the 5th number of terms here. So a1 is equal to, and n is equal to 1, a1 is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 minus 1 into 5, 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now you know something to the power 0 is equal to 1. Remember this. And 5 to the power, that is 25. If something to the power 0 is always 1. That is answer is 25. Okay. Now at n is equal to 2. A2 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 into 5 cube. Now see, this is minus 1 to the power 1. Okay. So 5 cube. This minus 1 to the power 1 is always minus 1. That is minus 1 equal into 1, 25. That is minus 1 is 25. Okay. Now let us find out another 3 terms. Now an is equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 whole into 5 n plus 1. So a3 is equal to how much? Minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 into 5 to the power 4. Okay. So now see, this is minus 1 to the power 2. Minus 1 square means 1. Okay. So that is 625. 5 to the power 4 is 625. So that is minus 1 to the power 2 means it is a big number. So obviously there will be a plus sign here, plus 625. Okay. Whenever you take the power of -1, and if that power is even number, you obviously you are going to get a +1. So plus sign. Similarly, a4, that means -1 to the power 4 minus 1, 5 to the power 5. Okay, so this is -1 to the power 3, 5 to the power 5 is equal to 3125. So this term is -1 because the power is odd here. Okay, so answer is -3125. Right. Next, we have to find out another term, that is a5. So -1 to the power 5 minus 1, 5 to the power 6. This is -1 to the power 4. This is the even power. Okay. 5 to the power 6 is equal to 15,625. So this term is +1. That means the final answer is plus 15,625. Now you see, this is a different kind of questions. The question is very easy also. Only thing is that you have to find out the -1 power. Okay. Please don't confuse here. Remember one thing, -1, whatever may be, if the power is even, you are going to get +1. If -1 power is odd, that means you are going to negative sign here, that means -1. Right. Now let us solve another question, question number 6. Now this is question number 6, very easy. Only you have to put the value of in here. So a1 at n is equal to 1, a1 is equal to 1 square plus 5 by 4. That is 6 by 4. It is also divisible. That is 3 by 2. Okay. Now at n is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 2 square plus 5 divided by 4. That is 4. That is 9 by 4. It cannot be divisible further. Okay. So at n is equal to 3, a3 is equal to 3 square means 9 plus 5 means 14 by 4. That means 7 by 2. Similarly, at n is equal to 4, a4 is equal to 16 plus 5. That means 21 by 4. Similarly, here I am writing, okay, at n is equal to 5, a5 is equal to 25 plus 5, that is 30 by 4. That means 15 by 2, or you can write 7.5. So the very similar questions I have solved here, nothing different. So now question number 7 is quite different. Let us solve that. Now let us solve this question number 7. Little bit different, don't be confused here. Here a n is given 4n minus 3. You have been asked to find out a17 and a24. Okay. Very simple. In place of n, you have to put 17 and 24. That means a17 is equal to 4 into 17 minus 3. Okay. That is 68 minus 3. That is 65. Similarly, a24. 4 into 24 minus 3. 96 minus 3, that is 90. Now we see how easy to solve this. Let us do another question. That is question number 8. Question number 8 is given an is equal to n square by 2 to the power n. Okay. You have to find out a7. Very simple. In place of n, you have to put 7 here. Okay. That is 49 by 128. Final answer is 0.3828, nearly equal to 0.3828. So in this way, you can solve all the problem. I hope you understand this lecture, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and follow my next video, because in my next video I have solved much from your textbook, and also I am also solving such type of geometric progression is very important for your JEE main and NEET examination. Sorry, this is JEE main only, because mathematics is only for your engineering entrances. So thank you for watching my video.